Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace speakers for active exhaust for all Maserati Ghibli, Quattroporte, Lavente, diesel engines, and Audi SQ5 and Volkswagen GTD. As you can see, I upgraded the new trophy front bumper and headlights. Nice looking. All the idea from Lavs and Alpha Spider-Man. Thanks for their share. Okay, let's get
I
started.
press the sport button. The V8 sound should come out. Only the engine sounds.
This is the speaker. We need to take it out. You may disconnect from here. I choose take whole exhaust. Speaker inside this metal cover. I got in ohm from my speaker. This speaker made in an Italian small factory. It is completely corroded. They sold the patent to Max US, I think. So you wouldn't get the same one. Speaker damage due to moisture. I choose Kicker PSC low marine speakers. I gave it additional waterproofing, even though the speakers are waterproof. This speaker can perfectly fit in the cover. I soldered all the plugs. On the basis of welding, I made additional high-temperature silicone. I drilled holes in the bottom for drainage. The new speakers sound even better. The sound is also louder.
Woo!